My name is Wendi Goodman. I currently work at FCB Health, which is an IPG health agency, and I am an executive director there. It was hard. In finding my niche in healthcare, I thought, okay, I'm going to jump in this one job and then I'm going to go find something else. And it was originally, I thought, okay, just temporary because I don't think I was going to be interested. But then I started liking it. So what has kept me in healthcare advertising as long as I have really starts with the people, to be honest. You have to self-select to want to work in healthcare advertising. You have to be passionate about it. You have to like the science. I work with really, really smart people and really passionate people who want to be there, and that keeps me there. Thinking about who you are and what you bring to the table, what is your value as an employee to the companies that you are going to be working for, is something that's really important. And you should be valuing in yourself, what are you bringing to the table? You can say, yeah, I'm doing that. I have a good relationship. I understand what I'm doing. I am raising my hand and asking for more. These all make you a really valuable employee to me. So before you go on any interview, a couple of things that you should do. Obviously, go on to the website of the company and read it and understand what it is. Why not do a LinkedIn search on the person you're interviewing with and get a little bit of background on them? After your interview, what you should do is always write a thank you. Believe it or not, it matters. And they're so much easier. When I used to do it, I'm like handwriting a note, putting it in an envelope and sticking it in the mail. You guys just have to do an email. Send the email. It matters.